Revit transforms project documentation by automating the creation of views and schedules directly from the 3D model, ensuring consistency and reducing errors. After completing this video, you'll be able to generate 2D construction documentation from a 3D model, manage and present design and construction data efficiently, and add annotations, text, and other information to 3D model elements. Start by opening Revit. On the home screen, click the Open Models button to open the dialog box. In the Open Revit Project dialog box, navigate to the folder containing the Revit project from the provided dataset. In the project browser, in Floor Plans, activate the base level floor plan view by double-clicking on the view name. In the ribbon, in the Annotate tab on the Dimension panel, click the Align Dimension tool. Selecting your preferred method of dimensioning, Revit allows you to add dimensions by selecting multiple elements or entire walls. With the wall face option active by default, click to select the wall face to begin adding a dimension. Click the face of the other wall on the other side of the room to specify the walls you want to dimension between. And to finish the process, click a final time to position the dimension. Press Escape twice to end the dimension command. You may want to add a different dimension, such as the position of a door. On the ribbon, on the Annotate tab, in the Dimension panel, click the Align Dimension tool. Selecting the wall face, and this time, the door, gives you the position of the door. Clicking a third time to position the dimension, press Escape twice to end the command. The dimension provides you with an opportunity to move the door. Hover your mouse over the door and click to select it. Notice that the dimension value turns blue and looks different to the other dimensions. Click on the value and you can change it by typing in a new value, which moves the door. Dragging a door in the plan view or selecting the door and editing the dimension drives the change in every view. Continue to add the horizontal and vertical dimensions to every room. Revit streamlines the annotation process with tools for adding dimensions, text notes, and tags directly linked to model elements. On the ribbon, on the Annotate tab, in the Tag panel, click Tag by Category to activate the command. Hover your mouse over a door and click to place a door tag, providing information about the type into the view. Press Escape twice to end the command. Returning to the ribbon, on the Annotate tab, in the Tag panel, click Tag All. Scroll to find Door Tags, tick the category, click Apply, and then OK to return to the view, and notice every door has been tagged with an ID based on its type. Sheets in Revit consolidate all your views and schedules into a cohesive presentation, making it easy to communicate your design intent effectively. Within the project browser, scroll to the Sheets section. Expand if necessary to reveal drawing sheets preloaded into the Revit project. Activate the sheet titled Floor Plans by double-clicking on it. In the project browser, scroll up so that you can see the floor plan views. Click and drag the base level floor plan view from the project browser onto the sheet. When you release the left mouse button, Revit prompts you to left-click to place the view. Find an appropriate place on the sheet and click the left mouse button to place it. While on the floor plan sheet, in the project browser, scroll down to see the schedules, click and drag the door schedule onto the sheet, and again click to place in a suitable position. Looking in the schedule, the door tags relate the information on the floor plan to the types listed in the schedule. Using the type mark as shown in the floor plan view, the type of door can be identified in the Family and Type column. Activate the elevation sheet and drag the east, north and south elevations onto an appropriate space. In the project browser, in the elevations, activate the east elevation view. And in the ribbon, on the Annotate tab, Dimension panel, click the Aligned button to activate the Dimension tool. As the elevation is a two-dimensional view generated from the 3D model, you can add annotations such as wall height to the view by clicking the base and then the top of the wall and position a dimension. You can add other dimensions in this view. In the project browser, returning to the elevations sheet, notice how the view already updated to reflect the changes you made and displays the dimensions. In this lesson, you learned how Revit streamlines documentation workflows from generating dynamic two-dimensional views to managing and automatically creating annotation.